Hey, what's up? It's Jeption Mutai here. Welcome to my YouTube channel where I share tips and expert advice on freelance and business. In this video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how to encrypt, or in other words, protect a PDF or a Word document with a password. Stay tuned. Looking for professional screencast video production services? Request a free quote on www.techtubstudio.com. If you're new here, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Also, take time to visit my website on jeption.com to learn more. Now, let's get into today's video. To encrypt or protect your Microsoft Word document with a password, click on File and select Info. On the new screen, click on the Protect Document icon and a drop-down menu will open. Select Encrypt with Password. Enter the password of your choice and click OK. Re-enter the password again. And that is it. Next time you open the document, it will request for a password before it opens. To save a PDF file with a password, open the PDF file with Microsoft Word. On the Microsoft Word program, click on File and select Save As. Choose the location you want to save your file on. Under Save As type, select PDF. The Options menu link will appear here. Click on it to open. Under PDF Options, check on the box Encrypt the document with a password. Enter the password and click on OK. Once done, click Save. And that is it. You have successfully encrypted your PDF and Word file with a password. I hope you found this video helpful. Like, share and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Also, take time to visit my website on jeption.com to learn more about me. Until next time, bye bye and take care. My name is Jeption Mutai. Looking for professional screencast video production services? Request a free quote on www.techtubstudio.com.